Hi, welcome to Module 2 of the Melon Seed Production course. In this module, we're going to be talking about melon seed oil extraction and processing. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to source and prepare your melon seeds. Make sure that your raw materials are of high quality, that is, they're from fresh melons, and the seeds are also fresh because this is going to affect your oil at the end of the day. So for premium oil production, make sure you have high quality raw materials. Also, you have to ensure that the seeds are cleaned and dried properly. You don't want to use seeds that are moldy or seeds that still have a very high moisture content in them. After making sure that the seeds are dried, the next thing to do is to go to your oil press extraction method. So in this extraction method, you're going to be able to extract the highest quality oil, basically, preserving your nutrients and flavor. The key equipment in this stage is the cold press machine designed for seeds and nuts. However, there are some videos that I'm going to share with you in this course. At the end of the course, those are some extra video resources, and you will see how to actually extract these this oil from these seeds manually. So you also want to check that out and also, get that knowledge for yourself also. Then after getting your oil, the next thing is to go to oil filtration and refining. The oil must be filtered to remove any seed residue. And the refining processes usually involve degorming, decolorizing, deodorizing, basically to just improve the purity of the oil. After that, we move into packaging and shelf life. So proper packaging is required, and this needs to be in airtight UV resistant bottles, which helps to extend the shelf life of the product. The shelf life is usually between 6 months to 1 year when stored properly in cool, dark conditions. You've come to the end of Module 2, and I have an activity for you. Compare the benefits and challenges of cold pressing melon seeds versus using a solvent extraction method. Which method would you choose for your business and why? Now, this is a challenge to you because you're going to have to do some research on solvent extraction method of melon seed oil. And I look forward to seeing your comments in the comment section. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and we'll be sure to get back to you. Bye for now.